the way I got it. I give it the way you gave it. You gave it, I got it. I sing it, I say it, and every day I play it. And every day I pray it. I sing it, I say it, build it or burn it. You made it, create it, send someone to save it. Whatever you know, you say it. Like it or lump it. I'm writing it and I wrote it. I'm shaping it and I show it. I aim it, I throw it. Whenever you think you got it, whenever you know it's not it, you leave it, you drop it, you need it, you sleep it. Whenever you find, you take it. Whenever you take, you keep it. You find it, you keep it. You push it, you shove it. You tell everyone you love it. Whenever you love, you leave it. You trade it, deceive it. You flip it, you flop it. You ship it and you shop it. You pay for it and you profit. You start it, you stop it. A new horizon. Dry your eyes and a new horizon. Hide your eyes when the wind is rising. You're sleeping and then you're dreaming and then you make it. You dream it, you do it, you laugh it, you clap it. You're tapping and then you dance it. You're dancing and then you feel it. You shout it, you scream it, you build it or burn it. Creating it and I make it. I'm shaping it and I show it. I aim it, I throw it. You want it, you got it. I give it the way I got it. I give it the way you gave it. I gave it, you got it.
I've been misplaced, I ain't wanted in this world. Like a square peg Lego, I don't seem to fit. I lay me down upon the wall, but I don't hear no click. Yeah. Gradients of static saturate the lens. I'm having a hard time making out any kind of sense. Like a flying jello embedded in the hoof, frozen full of dread, unclean and underfoot. Another day, goddamn, this life roll on. Ain't nothing round every bend but another way to fall. Cut my teeth at every turn, the con is long and wide. Spitting sand out the side of my face, water beats rock